Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the software as a service or SaaS. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in SaaS model and software as a service model and you want to learn about it. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, software as a service or SaaS is basically a model in which a software is reside on a remote server, and you can use that software by using like mobile application, desktop system, or tablet PCs. So if you just see this diagram in this figure, SaaS is a basically remote server at which the software services are available, and you are using those services as well. Friend, for using those services, software services, you must need the internet services so that you can connect to the remote server and you can access the services. Here, friend, in this model, independent software vendor (ISV) may contract a third-party cloud provider to host the application, or with large companies such as Microsoft Cloud Provider might also be the software vendor. So basically, friend, when we talk about SaaS, basically we are talking about the concept of cloud computing. Cloud computing means the all the software services and all the things are available on the remote server, and you are accessing the software services and you pay as you go. That means whatever whenever or whatever you will use in the month, you will only pay for that. For example, if you use the services for 1 month only, you will pay for 1 month only. If you use the services for 3 months, you will only pay for 3 months, not more than that, not less than that. SaaS is the main categories of cloud computing alongside the infrastructure as a service (IaaS) and platform as a service of PaaS as well. Friend, the products ranges for personal entertainment such as Netflix, etc. All these are the example of Netflix. Also, the other examples of SaaS are software are the Salesforce.com. So all those types of applications are the software as a service in which the software application reside on a remote server and you are using those services like Netflix, like Salesforce.com. All those are the example of SaaS model. SaaS works through the cloud delivery model. A software provider will either host the application and related data using its own servers, database, networking, and computing resources. Um, the application will be accessible to any device with a network connection like mobile, desktop system, or the tablet PCs. Friend, SaaS basically applications are not tasked with the setup and maintenance of the software. You just simply pay a subscription fee to gain access to the software, and all the maintenance of the applications like the database maintenance, the network related maintenance, the uh, all types of maintenance related to the software will be managed by the host provider or the remote server which basically hosting that application. Okay, so you will only pay for the subscription fee, whatever the your model for the subscription fee, you will pay for that, and you will use those services for your business, for your entertainment, etc. And the all the rest of the things like maintenance of application, database, networking, all those things will be managed by the remote server provider. There are so many advantages of the software as a service SaaS model. First one is the flexible payment. Flexible payment means, friend, that you are only paying for the services or the subscription. So that means the other costs related to hardware, the other things like database, so all those things you don't need to worry about it. You will only pay for the service you are using. Secondly, this usage is very scalable. That means the cloud services like SaaS offer high vertical scalability, which gives customer the open to access more of your services or future features on demand. Automatic updates are there, so that means if there is any patch needs to be deployed on the server or on the hosting server which is hosting the software, so you don't need to worry about it, because the vendor the host basically will be responsible to manage that, to apply those patches. You only you only focus on your business, or you can only think about your things which are related to you. The accessibility and persistence is also very important. That SaaS vendors deliver applications over the internet. Users can use the app. User can sitting anywhere, any location. They can use the mobile devices. They can use their tablets, desktop systems through the internet. They can connect to the application, and they can access the application anywhere, any location. Customization is also possible in these SaaS applications and can be integrated with other business applications as well. For example, Salesforce.com is a very popular application which is based on the software as a service model, and you can customize that application as well. You can integrate with other systems as well. So very big advantages of software as a service model are there, and the biggest advantage is the pay as you go, or the subscription model means that you don't need to deploy the whole setup, the networks, hardware, software, database. So you don't have to think about all those things. All those things will be managed by the remote hosting server or hosting system of the software. You only focus on your business. You only focus on the things that how you can grow yourself, how you can grow your business, and rest of the things will be managed by the hosting server or hosting update. Also, if there is any patch management needs to be deployed, if there is any vulnerabilities are there, etc. So many things are there when we talk about in IT. So all those things will be managed by the hosting server, which is basically remotely hosting the application. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any question, please do ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer your queries. Thanks a lot for watching the video.